Hey, I just learned the coolest thing at the gym from a millennial. It has nothing to do with working out, but I think it's really, I'm so excited about it. If you're a millennial, you can probably just turn the video off because you already know, but if you're not, check this out. So you know how we always have to take selfies and have pictures of ourselves for our sales page, our opt-in page, Instagram, Facebook, which is all these pictures. And so, you know, you go somewhere and you meet a JV partner or somebody, you're trying to take a picture and your arm's only this long, and then you're trying to poke the click button with the other hand so you get an ugly shoulder. Well, she showed me this. She said, you put your earbud in the connector like so, and when you turn on the camera mode on your camera, on your phone, the volume button becomes a picture taker. So from here, I can get all the way over there, drop this hand down and smile, smile. And it's not like I'm setting the timer, right? Because if it was a timer, I'd only get one click. You can just go, you know, click, 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 and get a really good shot. But you know what? It gets even better. These millennials, they know so much. And she said, you can do it with a selfie stick. You just put your little earbud thing in there. Now, what if you wanted a two-shot, right? It's you and somebody, it's you and a client, it's you and a mentor. And then your arm's definitely not long enough, and one of you's gonna have a funky shoulder. Well, you do the same thing. You get your selfie stick, and well, let me show you with one of my mentors, Mr. Bentley. See, I could take a selfie with Mr. Bentley and take our picture right here. Smile, Mr. Bentley. And just click, 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 come down here, and you can just let it go. Do like 10 shots, because just delete the ones that won't work. So for me, this is a game changer, because my shoulders can look good in the pictures now. I don't have to worry about setting the timer, because sometimes I use my Apple Watch. I can set the timer, but I only get one shot every 10 seconds. So I hope that helps you as much as it helps me, and there's so many reasons that you should go to the gym.